Animals are cute, but some of them are straight-up comedians. Like dogs, for example. They know when you're faking a throw, and if you do it too often, they'll literally walk away like, you know what, fetch it yourself. Llamas are also pretty funny. When they're annoyed, they don't growl or bark. They just launch a chunky spit missile to say, back off, Steve. Chickens, though, they hold grudges. Yes. The bird whose brain is smaller than a peanut will remember your face and come for revenge with flapping fury. Pugs were bred to look cute, but now they sound like fax machines. They snort and wheeze and snuffle through life like, I love you, but I can't breathe. The hairy frog is like the Wolverine of the frog world. It breaks its own bones to make claws. That's gotta hurt. Nature's funny, dramatic, and slightly violent. Subscribe now. This is Creature Code.